Y'all, quick update. The 94 Bred ones restoration. Clearly from the last video you can see that the soles are straight up way whiter than they were before. Before they were like piss, brown, yellow, straight up, but now with like, I just want to say 3 or 4 couple hour sessions, this is what I got. I got some Salon Care 40 and I used Retro Bright. So yeah, did the job right. Might do a couple sessions if I really want to when it gets sunny outside, but yeah. There you go. Pretty nice progress. The uppers you can see, bottoms like decent wear for the age. But yeah, quick update, y'all. Let me know if you like it. You don't, let me know. God bless. Jesus loves y'all.